Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add rain effect to our video in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut, and first thing first, I'm going to open the project I have just created. This is my project and I'm going to open it and I'm going to add rain effect to this video. If we want to add rain effect, we need to go to the effect menu and select the video effect. And in this video effect, we have to scroll all the way to the right until we find the nature category. This one, guys, tap on the nature and you have to find the rain effect. This one, tap on the rain effect, and then you can adjust the rain effect by tapping on the adjust button, and you can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. And for the speed, I'm just going to increase it. Okay, just like that, and then we can click on this check mark and you can make this effect align with your video by dragging the effect like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add rain effect to our video in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.